Hello guys, welcome back to my how to channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix Chat GPT unusual activity error. If you're getting a little pop-up inside of Chat GPT, that is basically telling you that there's some unusual activity going on inside of Chat GPT. There's a couple of things that you're going to want to kind of keep in mind here. Number one, if you're getting some sort of like unusual activity inside of here, the best thing to keep in mind here is to just kind of understand and read what you're actually sending. If you're sending some insane stuff within ChatGPT or something that goes against their terms of service or anything like that, well, that could usually end up being the main reason why you might run into a problem like that. So if you are getting some sort of prompt, let's say it's not supposed to be, giving you a prompt, let's say it's supposed to be giving you something else, but it's telling you that it's unusual activity, you might want to try just reloading ChatGPT or closing out of ChatGPT and opening it back up again. So what this will look like, this basically just closing out the ChatGPT just like this, opening it back up or refreshing the website, and sometimes that might end up fixing it for you. The other thing you can try doing is double checking your internet connection. So tap into your settings application right over here, and then what you can do is you can go through and just double check your Wi-Fi connection. Sometimes that might just be the problem that you're running into as well. You can try doing that and you can see if that ends up fixing the problem, which for some people that might actually end up fixing it for you. You can also try going through and basically logging out of ChatGPT and logging back in. So go through, log out of ChatGPT as you normally would. Give it a few seconds. You can go ahead and see if you can log back in, and that might be another thing you can try doing as well. That would be the other thing I'll probably recommend thinking about. And if that's still not working, you might just want to go ahead and see if you're able to go through and basically make your way over to websites like downdetector.com or is it downrightnow.com. Those are basically the main ways to go and essentially see if it's down, and then you can wait to see if they end up fixing it. So those are kind of the main ways to go and fix this issue. Thank you guys for watching this video. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to my how to channel.